Guys, an episode of Khaya's funeral aired on the Friday episode of Isitha the Enemy, and all I can say is Blackburn Pictures really disrespected Zamani Bata on this one. So let's talk about this and more in this video. Stay tuned. I was expecting a very big funeral with everyone sad and crying, not the Mzansi scope that I saw in this episode. It all started with Nandi wanting to take Khaya's body keys, and I understood that because that is what happens in most families during funerals. Drama is always expected, but this, I know, I'm not happy. I also understand that there are people who enjoyed the episode, and I'm not saying that you guys are wrong. It's okay, the episode was well portrayed. My only concern is the storyline. They could have created all their drama, but at the end, create a dignified and decent funeral for Khaya. Phela Zamani Bata was the main character, and most of us are not okay with the fact that he's leaving the show. So giving him a proper and a dignified send-off would be the least Blackburn could have done for us. Whereas, out of all the people who could have created this mess, it's Nandi. The same Nandi who cheated on Khaya with his brother even after his death. I'm really disappointed. So let me quickly give a brief context to people who didn't watch the show. Guys, Nani decided to bury Khaya without also cool. She paid the people from the mortuary to take Khaya's body to her house, which is where she buried Khaya. While the family was in the funeral waiting for Khaya's body to arrive, Nandi came and lied to the family, telling them that she cremated Khaya's body and that the coffin was empty, there's no body there. Everyone was shocked to hear about this, and people believe her. That is where Nomsa slept here, and I'm sure you can imagine that whole drama taking place. So after the funeral, we were shown Nandi and her mom burying Khaya at night, which means Nandi lied when she said that she cremated Khaya's body. I don't really know about you guys, but as I have mentioned before, I was expecting a real and a huge funeral. I also thought that I was going to see strippers, gangsters, car spinning, that kind of a funeral. Not what I just watched. I just hope there's a reason behind this. Phela, there are rumors that Khaya might still come back, so I'm hoping that they did all of this so that it could be easy to bring him back. But then, those are just my thoughts. Do also comment with your thoughts and opinions in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. And if you enjoyed the content of this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribe, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.